Last week I tested Claude and ChatGPT side by side for freelance writing. Same clients, same prompts, different tools. Claude made me $340 in 3 days. ChatGPT made $210. But here's what shocked me: Claude's clients asked for more work, at higher rates. And I'm going to show you exactly why, and how to pick the right tool for your income goal. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to test Claude versus ChatGPT for freelance writing, which one actually makes you more money, and when to use each tool. By the end of this, you'll know the specific writing tasks where Claude wins, where ChatGPT dominates, the exact pricing strategy that attracts higher paying clients, and the real income potential for each. Stick around because the third method is the one that caught me completely off guard. It's the reason Claude's clients keep coming back. Let's start with Claude for long-form content. This is where Claude genuinely outperforms ChatGPT. Claude's strength is writing 2,000 to 5,000 word pieces with depth and nuance. On Fiverr, I created a gig, professional blog posts and long-form articles using AI, and set the base price at $50 per 2,000 words. Within 48 hours, 3 clients booked. The key is being specific. I told them in the gig description that I use Claude for research synthesis and detailed writing. Here's the exact prompt I used: write a 2,500 word article on topic 4, publication type. Include 5 key points, real examples, and actionable takeaways. Structure with intro, 5 sections, and conclusion. Tone, professional but conversational. Claude delivered every time. The common mistake: pricing too low. Most freelancers charge $15 to $25 per article. The clients who pay $50 to $100 actually trust you more and give you repeat work. I had one client commission 4 articles in 1 week, that's $200 just from Claude prompting. Now ChatGPT's strength is the opposite: quick turnaround, high-volume gigs. ChatGPT is faster for shorter pieces, social media captions, email sequences, product descriptions. I created a Fiverr gig for 10 LinkedIn posts for $25. ChatGPT cranks these out in minutes. Prompt: write 10 unique LinkedIn posts about topic. Each post should be 150 to 200 words, include a hook, insight, and CTA. Make them thought-provoking but authentic. The reality: this gig got way more orders than the long-form one. I completed 8 orders in a week, that's $200 again. But here's the trade-off: you're trading higher per unit price for volume. The repeat client rate was lower because it's a commodity service. The mistake to avoid: don't oversell your AI capabilities. I initially tried offering unlimited revisions and got stuck in revision hell with one client for 12 hours. Now it's 2 rounds of revisions max. We're halfway through, and the next strategy is the one I wish I'd known a year ago. It's not about picking Claude or ChatGPT alone. It's about combining them. Here's the hybrid method: use Claude for the core writing, depth, research, original ideas. Then use ChatGPT to create the variations, captions, social posts, email subject lines from that same article. One blog post becomes 5 different deliverables. I tested this on Upwork. Posted a job, write blog post plus social media pack, $150. The client loved getting the full package. I did this for 2 clients in 1 week using both tools together, that's $300. The key: prompt flow. Claude writes the article. Copy that output. Paste into ChatGPT with, from this article, create 5 Twitter threads and 10 Instagram captions. ChatGPT nails it. The mistake: using Claude or ChatGPT separately means leaving money on the table. Now let's talk about the pricing strategy that separates amateurs from the pros making real money. The writers I know who hit $3,000 to $5,000 a month don't compete on price, they compete on specificity. Instead of "I write blog posts," they say "I write so optimized blog posts for SaaS companies using AI research." Instead of "I create social media content," they say "I create LinkedIn thought leadership content for B2B executives." Specificity attracts higher paying clients and repels bargain hunters. On Upwork, I created 2 identical gigs, one generic, one specific. The generic one got 20 inquiries from budget clients offering $10 per article. The specific one, blog posts for fintech startups, got 3 inquiries, but it's $75 and $100 per piece. The mistake most people make: they think they need to compete on quantity and low price. Actually, the money is in finding niche clients who value quality over cost. Here's the real answer. Claude wins for depth and repeat clients. It's the tool for the writers building real freelance businesses. ChatGPT wins for volume and quick cash. It's great for testing the market. But the real money? It's in combining both and positioning yourself as the expert, not just another AI writer. This week, pick one platform, Fiverr or Upwork, and create one specific gig. Test it for 1 week. Track what sells and what doesn't. Most freelancers fail because they never test. You now have the exact prompts and pricing strategy. So which are you going to try first? Claude for long form? ChatGPT for volume? Or the hybrid method? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and often reply. And if you're serious about building AI income, I drop a new money method every week. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss it. Next week I'm showing you the one tool that makes ChatGPT 10x faster for writing. It's a game changer. See you then.